Good morning. The next article from this unit is function subprogram. There are two similar articles, function subprogram and subroutine subprogram. Let us first deal with function subprogram. It is somewhat lengthy article. We may need 2 lectures to complete this article. What is need of function subprogram? In physics, you have studied this thing. NCR is equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial into r factorial, and you are asked to write program to find this NCR in Fortran, of course in any other high level language. You will find that it will be quite difficult to write program for evaluation of NCR if we do not go for subprograms, if we do not go for subroutines, and therefore function subprograms and subroutine subprograms are necessary. In this lecture, we are starting function subprogram. Function subprogram is further divided into 2 categories. First category is function subprogram is further divided into 2 classes, 2 categories. First one is arithmetic statement function, second one is function subprogram. So, what we do in one lecture, we shall complete arithmetic statement function. In other lecture, we shall complete function subprogram. So, let us first go for arithmetic statement function. Let us suppose you have some function This is some function, this is arithmetic statement, this is function, this is arithmetic statement. So, we may call this as arithmetic statement function. And how to write this in Fortran? In Fortran you can write this as in Fortran, this is the way of writing the arithmetic statement function. If you are asked to solve this function for certain value of x, for example, we are asked to find f of phi, then this in Fortran will become f of phi is equal to 2 into phi into phi minus 3 into cos into 9 into phi. If this is in degrees, it will be cos 45 degrees. Cos 45 is 1 divided by root 2 or 1.414. 2 to the 5, 2 5 is 10, 10 5 is 50 minus 3 times cos of 45, 3 into 1.414. Okay, subtract this and you will get value of f phi. This is how the arithmetic statement functions can be written. This x, this phi is known as the argument or dummy variable. X is known as the function argument or dummy variable. Let us try to write few programs for arithmetic statement function. Let us suppose that you are given a circle. Radius of this circle is r, and you are asked to find area of the circle and circumference of the circle. You are provided radius of the circle and you are asked to find area of the circle and circumference of the circle. Area of circle, this function, let me write this as AC of r. Area of circle, argument is r. Let me write this as PRC of R. Actually, we don't call the circumference as perimeter for circle, but let me, or you can simply write here CRC, circumference of circle. How to go for this? What is formula for area of circle? Pi r square. Value of pi 3.142. So pi r into r, that is pi r square. What is formula for circumference of circle? 2 pi r. 2 pi r. Then this is a simple program to evaluate area and circumference of a circle with the help of arithmetic statement function. This is arithmetic statement function. This is arithmetic statement function. R is defined as integer. Okay. Read R with this format. Then again a comment, just like this comment. Print area and circumference of the given circle. Write default output device, comma 4, AC of R, CRC of R. Format is that stop and. This way we can find the area and circumference of a circle with the help of arithmetic statement function. Let me go for one more small program. Instead of circle, let us suppose that you are given a cylinder. This is a cylinder. Radius R, height h. We are given this cylinder. Radius of cross section is capital R. and the height is capital H. Now, what various parameters we can find for a cylinder? You can find volume of a cylinder, we can find area of this. If you consider this as cylinder, this is the curved part, area of this curved part. After that, area of this full outer portion, this curved part as well as this circle and this circle. And what are the formulae? Let us first write the formulae. Volume is given by pi r square h. Volume of cylinder is given by pi r square h. Area of curved surface, this surface, this is the curved surface, is given by two pi r h, area of curved surface. What is full area? Area of curved surface plus area of two circles. This is one circle, this is other circle, that is 2 times pi r square, or this may be for the 2 pi r taken common, 2 pi r taken common. From this what left? EH plus from this what left? R. So, volume of the cylinder is given by this formula. Area of curved surface is given by this formula. Area of full surface, this curved surface as well as these two circles, that is area of full outside surface of the cylinder is given by this formula. Let us write a program for this using the arithmetic statement function. Comment program for program for a cylinder using arithmetic statement function. And now let me define these arithmetic statement functions. Volume of the cylinder, it is function of R and H. This is equal to 3.142 into R into H. Then AC of RH This is also function of R and H. This is also function of R and H. So area of curved surface of the cylinder, which is function of R and H, is equal to, formula is this, 2 into 3.142 into R into H. Third one is this, area of full surface of the cylinder, again function of R and H, and that will be 2 into 3.142 into R into inside the bracket R plus H. Okay. So the arithmetic statement functions are written here, here and here for volume, area of only curved surface, area of full surface of the cylinder. Then integer, of course always it is not necessary to go only for integer, you can also go for a real. For simplicity I have considered this R and H both as integer. Read default input device and the format is here. As I have defined R and H as integer, let me put here I4 for both. Then again a comment, print volume, AC and AF, that is here. So this is a simple program for evaluating the volume of given cylinder, the area of curved surface of the given cylinder and area of full surface of the given cylinder with the help of these three arithmetic statement functions. These three arithmetic statement functions are nothing but the arithmetic equations. But how these are defined? These are defined as arithmetic statement function. This is a function of these two arguments. This is a function of these two arguments. This is a function of these two arguments. Very simple. Then RNH defined, values of RNH are read, and here again one more comment, print volume AC and AF printed here. In this print statement, the calculation will be automatically done, and values of volume, area of curved surface and area of full surface will be automatically printed with this format. 1x, first column is skipped, and all these three are written with this format, F8.2 on a single line. This is a simple this is a simple example of using the arithmetic statement function. We have discussed this with few examples and 2 sample programs. Of course, we can go for many such programs by taking many arithmetic functions, but this is sufficient, actually more than sufficient for your understanding. So, let me stop here, and tomorrow in the next lecture I will talk about the next part, function subprogram. Till then, thank you.